doesn't seem obvious that the neck position would affect your exercise form, and yet it does. And I'm just bringing this up and wanted to do a post about this because I ran a beginner strength training challenge last week for women who had never done strength training, and most weren't exercising. And I was getting messages about, when I do the incline push-up, I feel my neck pain, or when I'm doing a good morning, my neck hurts afterwards. Your neck should never hurt during exercise or even afterwards. And this post is about one really important tip to protect your form and to make sure you don't get neck pain. My magic visual will be this navel orange. So I'll turn sideways. If I'm doing my push-up and I'm looking down between my hands, do you see how my neck is bent over? It's going to be straining. If I'm doing my good morning, which I'll demo later, and my neck is like this, do you see how also my neck is out of alignment? The best way to think of how to position your neck is to imagine that you've got a navel orange or a tennis ball right under your chin. Do you see how my neck is very neutral? So whether I'm doing a bending over or doing a push-up, if the neck is in this position, there's no strain. It's a very neutral neck position. So this is one of the key visuals that I want you to imagine. And then I'm going to show you the exercises now with a neck strain and without the neck strain. So in a good morning, if my hands are here and I keep my neck up, you see how I'm straining my neck? But if I imagine having the orange, my neck remains neutral. So in the push-up, whether I'm doing it from the floor or from a table, my neck position also matters. So I'm going to show you a push-up. You might not see my whole body, but just watch my neck, because most people look down between their hands or even at their feet or the middle, because they're just trying to look at something. But just watch my neck position when I do that. So if I was to look between my hands or towards my feet, see how my neck is? It is not neutral. And if I did this long enough, eventually it would hurt here. So what you want to do, as I was saying, is imagine you have the navel orange right under your neck. You're holding it in place. Now watch what my push-up looks like, and imagine it could be on the floor or on an incline, but just look at the alignment on my neck. If I was to imagine the navel orange. Everything is just one long lean line without strain going this way or strain going that way. So your neck position is important in the form of any exercise. I hope that helps. If you like this post, don't forget to like and subscribe below.